Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting the ball handler and confirming a qualified screener is active. This matters because rating and attributes change success rates. Once ready, hold the screen button, R1 or RB, or the right D-pad command depending on controller, and keep the ball handler reasonably stationary. As you hold, nudge the right stick toward the chosen teammate to shape the screen angle and spacing. This gives you control over defender direction and prevents broken or illegal screens while initiating. Once the screen is set, execute the action you want. Use stick inputs to call a flare, pick and roll, or slip. Each choice alters space and shot opportunities. Pay attention to how defenders respond. If they switch, look to exploit mismatches. If they hedge hard, attack the roller or kick out. If they fight through, use quick passes. Make your decision fast, release the screen, pass, or drive within about 1 to 1.5 seconds, because hesitation lets defenders recover and ruins the play. To finish, commit. Attack the lane on a switch, hit the roller on a hedge, or kick to the corner 3 when coverage collapses. Decisive reads increase make percentage. If the screen fails repeatedly, reset by repositioning your spacing, call a slip, or run a timed handoff to catch defenders off guard. Also switch personnel if needed, sub in a stronger screener or a quicker ball handler to change matchups. That single adjustment often fixes recurring defensive counters and restores screen effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.